welcome and thank you for joining us as we dive right into part 3 of our Gardening from Home series. The weather has been perfect, allowing everything to thrive and grow well. These shots were taken during one of our beautiful sunsets we had this summer. Haley has been doing a good job keeping an eye on the garden. The pepper plants have been doing great, and it looks like topping them has been a good thing. Tomatoes are growing well. Haley is embarrassed. And she sweeps in for a second look at the peppers. How are they doing, Hale? The cherry tomatoes are ready for a taste test, and Haley reaches in to give it a try. I think they have passed the test. Are they good, Hale? The mint, parsley, chives, and dill have been doing just as good. However, we ran into some trouble with the kale. A type of slug, or maybe even a caterpillar, would feast at night on these kale leaves. Pretty sure we weren't going to eat those anyways. But they got our cauliflower too, which we did want to eat. Oh well, better luck next year. It's time to harvest some tomatoes. During a few storms, the wind blew the tomato plants off of the bench, which is why they look a little rough and dusty. A good wash will take care of that though. Here comes Haley with the bowls. Let's start gathering the tomatoes. And there we go. Some of the other areas were starting to suffer as well. I don't think the drawers provided enough space for the roots after a couple of months of growth. But the peppers were still going strong, growing big and still green. We decided to focus on them next. We washed the tomatoes, and Haley says they're good. We also began to take down the tomato plants and scrap the drawers that weren't doing well. The peppers will be ripening soon, and Hale is sure to keep on top of things. It's the end of August now, and the colors are coming in. We have some red peppers, and we have some yellow peppers. Hale is harvesting her first pepper. From Haley and me, we thank you for watching our videos and we hope you enjoyed them. If you want to show off your gardens, take a picture and share it to the FENFC Facebook page. All the best, everyone. Stay safe.